I'm Andrea Turner and I'm the lead clinician of the Langford Farm Animal Practice. I enjoy working at Langford Farm Animal Practice because there is so much spectrum to the work that we do here. So we serve commercial dairy farms, commercial beef, sheep and smallholders, but we also do a lot of work with smallholders and pet farm animals. And I think you get a lot of variety in that because we're always teaching and we're trying to use our cases to teach the students. Those smallholder and farm pet cases that might not be so interesting to other farm vets, might not be so commercially viable for other farm vets, are actually so useful for us as a teaching practice. We get to work alongside and with lots of specialists in other departments within Langford Vets and learn so much from them. So every day is always a school day. Little was referred to us when he got to about 15 months of age, and he had been growing this angular limb deformity since he was a lamb. So initially he was referred to us for an investigation, so we could review that and then get back to those owners and those vets to offer the kinds of procedures that we thought might help him. Once it had been decided that they were interested in doing some more advanced level care for Little, he then came to Langford for a CT scan, which meant that we could finalise a plan for a surgery, and then he's come to us today for the actual surgery. Orthopaedic surgery on sheep is quite unusual in the grand scheme of things, but we have also done a huge range of different procedures and treatments for lots of different animals. Regardless of whether we are dealing with the cats or the dogs that come through the small animal hospital, or a sheep, a goat, a pig, an alpaca, we want to be able to offer those owners who want it the same amount of high-level care for their high-value or beloved farm animal species that they would have if they were owning a dog or a cat. We're more than happy to have phone conversations, receive emails and give email advice, and chat to referring vets about what might be possible for us to do and help them with through our services here at Langford.